3, 2024. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank figures as on 31/3/2024 has been released. They have declared dividend also. About that, I have posted a video. Please watch that and try to memorize the some 10 points they have given. They have given very nicely. In fact, I am very happy that Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank has done a good job in presenting it in the press release also. They have told nicely. So you can go through that one. That will do. Okay. Please, you have to mug up that. There is no other go. You have to mug it up. Good. Now, next is we are here. 3 people are in waiting room. Banu Prakash is coming. Then Jatin is coming. Harika is coming. Good. Now, candidates, I was just, I always used to tell about certain important topics, and those topics about that, I wanted you to be prepared. So one such topic is this one. What is banking? I just asked our Chat GPT, and Chat GPT is telling like this. Banking is a vast topic, but I can help you with specific questions. So some of you can make use of this Chat GPT this way. I just asked a question about what is banking. Then it is telling it's a vast topic. I can with you specific questions or information related to banking in India. Some examples of what I can help with include this is the good thing. Types of bank accounts, savings accounts, current account. This also, even BCom candidates are not thorough at this. CASA account means what? They don't know. BCom candidates, we expect more from you. Then banking services, online banking, mobile banking, loans and credit options, home loans, personal loans. There are so many loans, gold loans, education loan, etc. Investment options, fixed deposits, mutual fund, etc. Yeah. Recording is there, no?
Are you showing something, sir?
Yeah, I will show
not
you.
Visible actually.
Yeah, I will show you. But it is not appearing fully, but whatever it is, you can see it. See what I did, I went to, I got some message in one of my cell phones, Meta AI. Then I typed and it started giving me answers like this. So let me know the specific aspect of banking you would like to know more about. I will do my best to assist you. Next, I asked about Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India responsible for the country's monetary policy, nice, banking regulation, and supervision. Some key areas of RBI functions include number 1, monetary policy, setting interest rates, managing money supply, and maintaining price stability. Number 2, banking regulation, supervising and regulating banks, non-banking finance companies, and other financial institutions. Currency management, managing the supply and distribution of currency notes and coins. Payment systems, overseeing and regulating payment systems such as NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS, real-time gross settlement, and IMPS, immediate payment system or immediate payment service. I don't know which. What is, anybody knows what is the full expansion of IMPS?
Immediate payment system.
Immediate payment system or service? Hello?
Yes, sir. I think it
Immediate.
is immediate payment system.
1 minute. Let me see here. IMPS, who we are, what
It
we
is
do.
service, sir.
Acha. Immediate payments. Did you verify?
Yes, sir.
Let me. Correct. Correct. Immediate payment service. Correct. Maximum amount one can remit nowadays is 5 lakhs. Immediate payment service. Okay, now I am
It was
coming
there
to
in
this.
home page itself, sir.
Pardon?
It was there in home page itself, sir.
Yeah. So now I am coming. Are you able to see the WhatsApp group now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Payment systems, then financial stability, monitoring and responding to risks of the financial systems like managing what? Managing inflation, etc. Consumer protection, protecting the consumer's interest in the banking sector. Some recent news and updates from RBI include monetary policy decisions such as changes to repo rate and inflation targets. There has been no change for the last 8th or 7th time, I don't know, 2 months. I think probably this is 16 months over same rate. Guidelines and regulations for banks and financial institutions, such as capital adequacy requirements and risk management, initiatives to promote digital payments and financial inclusion, such as Bharat Bill Payment System and the Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. If you have specific questions, please feel free to ask. Then I asked about NPCI. Then NPCI, who is the baby of the class today, who has joined today only, and Subhash. Subhash, why don't you read this? NPCI. Please read, Subhash.
Sir,
Subhash, are
I'm
you able?
audible, sir. Am I
Yeah,
audible,
you are
sir?
audible. You are audible. Please read.
Sir, NPCI stands for National Payment Corporation of India. Here are some key points about NPCI. Purpose: NPCI is the umbrella organization for all retail payments in India. It was established in 2008 and is owned by a consortium of major banks. UPI. NPCI is responsible for the development of the Unified Payment Interface, a real-time payment system facilitating interbank transactions. Other services. NPCI also offers other services, including the National Automated Clearinghouse, NACH, Aadhaar-enabled payment system, AEPS, and Bharat Bill Pay. Objectives. NPCA aims to provide innovative, accessible, and inclusive payment solutions, promoting a less cash economy and financial inclusion. Regulation. NPCA operates under the guidance of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology.
Oh, Indian government's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. New ministry. I don't know about it. Who is the minister in charge of this? Anybody knows?
Piyush Goyal, sir.
Oh, Piyush Goyal. Acha, very good. Now, Subhash, continue with SEBI.
The SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India, and it is the regulatory body for securities and commodity markets in India. The main objective of SEBI are to protect the interest of investors in securities, promote the development of and to regulate the security markets. Some of SEBI's function includes approving by laws of security exchanges, acquiring the securities exchange to amend their bylaws, inspecting the books of accounts and calling for periodical returns for recognized securities exchange, inspecting the book of accounts of financial intermediaries, compelling certain companies to list their shares in one or more security exchanges, registration of brokers and sub-brokers, eliminating malpractices in the securities market.
Yeah, actually, the chairman's name is Mrs. Madhabi Puri Buch. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Regarding NPCI, headquarters is in Mumbai or Delhi? Can anyone tell me? Where is the headquarters of NPCI? I am having doubt always. NPCI headquarters.
Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai only. NPCI headquarters is in Mumbai, and the MD and CEO is Mr. Dilip Asbe. Mr. Dilip Asbe. Then RBI, its headquarters is in Mumbai. The governor's name is Mr. Shakti Kanta Das, is a person from Odisha. We have 4 deputy governors. 1, Mr. Rajeshwar Rao. 2, Mr. Rabi Shankar. 3, Mr. M.D. Patro. 4, Mr. Janaki Raman. Sorry, Swaminathan Janaki Raman. Swaminathan Janaki Raman. These are the 4 deputy governors. In fact, at this stage, we must know about RBI subsidiaries also. RBI has got 5 subsidiaries. RBI has got 5 subsidiaries. Subsidiaries of RBI. Are you subsidiaries of RBI? Are you seeing it on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. RBI, for interview purposes, it is just sufficient you know the names. A subsidiary is a child company that is fully owned by the parent company. In this case, RBI. Subsidiaries are separate bodies for the regulation of tax and various liability purposes. The Reserve Bank of India, it is given wrongly as 4. There are 5. A piece of the piece of detailed information. One is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, a company which prints notes. That is why when we talk about RBI, we should not say RBI is the note printing authority. No. Their subsidiary is the note printing authority. Then, this is the wrong answer. NABARD is no longer coming under RBI. This is the wrong one. I will take you to some other thing. That's a wrong one. Testbook.com. Whether they are this here only, they are given the wrong one. Oh, Baba, totally wrong. Subsidiaries of Reserve Bank of India. Textbook is not giving correctly. I think Byju's may be giving correctly. Byju's may be giving correctly. Let us see. Byju's. See, the Byju's has given very detailed functions of RBI also. Here they have given DICGC, second BRBNMPL, then Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, REBIT, then Indian Financial Technology Allied Services. One more is there, some hub. What is that hub? Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. These are the 5 subsidiaries. So this is one problem of verifying from the net. Sometimes the notes are all not updated. Sometimes I used to get very correct updated. This one must be good. Indianeconomy.net. Oh, Baba. This must be good, Baba. This must be good. Subsidiaries of RBI. See, superb. This is good. I am giving you this link in our Telegram WhatsApp group. I have to give you afterwards. If I give you here now, this will go. Doesn't matter. I will give 1 minute. What is that? Fed PO. I am giving that link. So this link will be useful for commerce graduates and BBA graduates for going through to know more about economy, and all. Okay, that will be useful. Now we have to go to messages. Messages again. I think we were doing this. I was telling you about RBI. Regarding RBI, when I talk, I must tell you about DICGC. What is DICGC? It is a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, and that organization is guaranteeing bank deposits up to rupees 5 lakhs per individual in a bank. In case a particular bank goes into liquidation, then the person, each person will have, say, insurance coverage up to 5 lakhs. Supposing a person invests 10 lakhs rupees and unfortunately bank goes into liquidation, he will get back 5 lakhs. So it is good to deposit, say like this, 5 lakhs in husband's name, 5 lakhs in wife's name, so that you get both. That is, here 5 lakhs, another 5 lakhs, and put another 5 lakhs in son's name, daughter's name, so that you can get coverage up to 20 lakhs. And another option is to put the deposits in different banks, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, like this. Okay, very good. Now I was telling you about Reserve Bank. SEBI we were studying. Now we have to study about NABARD. Now NABARD stands for National Bank for Agricultural Rural Development, which is India's apex development bank. Here are some of the things they do. Empowering rural India. NABARD aims to make rural India financially inclusive with specially designed initiatives executed under financial, developmental, and supervision categories. Farm sector. NABARD has a new agricultural marketing infrastructure scheme of ISAM, Agri Clinics, Agri Business Center scheme, and scheme for extending livelihood of enterprises development project, then RIDF digitization. Now, so this alone don't believe. Please go to NABARD website and get to know more details. I want you to be thorough with all these institutions. The next one is IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Now I will request Shriya to read. Shriya, please read. Here is the information about India. Yeah, IRDA.
Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. IRDAI is an autonomous and statutory body that oversees and regulates the insurance and reinsurance sectors in India. History. The Indian government nationalized the country's insurance sector in 1950 and created the Life Insurance Corporation LIC of India. In the 1990s, the government decided to open up the insurance industry to private companies. A committee was established to propose changes, and IRDAI was created. Role. The insurance sector in India is expanding. IRDAI has a number of responsibilities. It must safeguard the interests of insurance policyholders and make sure they are treated fairly. It must also monitor policy issuers to make sure the general public's interests are not harmed. Composition. IRDAI is a 10-member body consisting of a chairman, 5 full-time members, and 4 part-time members of India.
The
4 members.
4 part-time members. The chairman's name is Mr. Debasish Panda. Mr. Debasish Panda. Then continue, Sriya. Fintech company. Because, suddenly I wanted to know something about fintech, but this is not fully giving, but still some idea it gives. So please go through this. Here are some. Please read.
Hello.
Please
Sorry.
read.
I'm zoomed in, sir. I can't see.
You are not able to see.
Yes, sir.
Now you are seeing.
1 second.
No, I think screen is not big for you.
Yes, sir. I'm logged in my phone. Now I can see, sir.
Hmm.
Here are some fintech companies in India. KYC Hub, a screening and onboarding platform that delivers automated tools and up-to-date advanced insights to protect against fraud and financial crime. An link unavailable. An online market.
Now, one thing, this I downloaded only yesterday. Even here, sometimes certain things are outdated. So that problem is there. So we must know. I'm not sure whether KYC hub is there today or not. Maybe the company is not there. Who knows? Is it available now? I don't know. KYC hub. What is KYC hub? KYC hub is a cloud native risk and compliance operating system offering a frictionless and future proof. Acha, it is there. It is there. No problem. Now please read Razor Pay. Please read.
Yes, sir. Razorpay that enables businesses to accept, process, and disburse payments. Grow, an investment platform that offers a new way of investing money with stock broking, and direct mutual funds. Upstocks, a fintech company to allow innovative innovative investment options for its users. Indulgent Bank, a Mumbai-based India New Generation Bank established in 1994. Paytm Payments Bank, a mobile-first bank with zero balance, zero digital transaction charge accounts. RBL Bank, one of India's fastest-growing scheduled commercial banks.
No, but
Syndicate Bank.
stop. That is why I said it is not up to date. Syndicate Bank is no longer in existence. It has been merged with the Canara Bank. So sometimes this chat GPT also gives totally wrong answers. Now read MobiQuick.
MobiQuick, India's leading fintech platform operating businesses in consumer payments, gateway, and financial services. PhonePe, a mobile payments application that allows the user to transfer money instantly.
The reason why I was more interested in knowing about this is if a computer boy goes for an interview, if nowadays they are not asking deep of say banking questions, so they can ask something related to your subject also, in which case they can ask you what is a fintech company, what are the fintech companies, so like that. If they ask, you must be able to manage that. Only this much I could download yesterday. So that
Sir,
is, yeah, tell me.
yesterday we were discussing about that. What are the companies which are in partner with fintech companies which are in partnership with Federal Bank, right, sir? I have found out the answer.
What is the answer? Please tell.
Paisa Bazaar, yes, sir. Paisa Bazaar and One Score, FI Money, Bajaj Market, sir. I have found it in the official Federal Bank website. I can share the link.
Please share the link.
Okay,
In
sir.
our group, you share it.
Okay, sir.
That will very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, here, one problem is some of you are very new. Subhash is very new. Then Sanjay Mani also new. Then Pravesh, you are from which college? Pravesh, I don't remember. There is a boy who joined with this name. Pravesh, when did you join us?
Sir, I joined today. I'm from BPIT.
Acha, that boy. Acha. You said you are
Yes, sir.
traveling or something like that. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No problem. Pravesh, fine. Next is our friend Vanu Prakash. I know he was there. Deepak Ram, I know. Arvita, I know. Harika, also Harika. Then Harshini, then Jatin, Kaviram, Lalit Kumar, all of you. Yeah. So now Here, who are all people appearing for Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank? Deepak Ram, then
Yeah, sir.
Subhash is
And me,
also
sir.
appearing. Subhash also, then
Sanjay.
Sanjay also.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, you are that 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 you are that
Loyola
agriculture.
College, sir. No, sir.
Acha,
Mathematics.
mathematics. Acha. I am confusing you with there is one more Sanjay. He is doing BSc Agriculture from Karunya Institute of Technology. He joined us 1.5 months back. Still, the interview is not going because in Coimbatore zone it is getting delayed. Sanjay.
Oh,
So you
yes,
are
sir.
that BSc boy, no? BSc
Yes, sir.
Mathematics. BSc Mathematics. Right. Now, Mr. Sanjay, for you people only, I have posted that video that gives bank's position as on 31/3/2024. I want you to mug it up. You have to
Okay, sir.
go through all that and mug up that thoroughly so that you remember them. And what are the things you have to remember? They have themselves given it point by point. Point by point they are given. Just a minute. I will show you that.
Actually, I have searched for it, but I could only find the Q4 results, but not the annual results.
It is annual results. It has come.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will check it.
I'll show you.
First year.
Good evening, candidates. Good evening. I'm just telling you the questions that were asked in um, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank interview for clerical grade on say 8th of 8th of 8th of January. I'm just telling you the questions. Now let me tell you 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Tell me. Acha, you cleared the written test. Oh, very good. You want to attend the GD this thing class? Acha. Oh, okay. How much you paid for this GD? 499. Na? Yeah. Now you have to pay around 558. I will give you GD questions, GD videos, conduct mock interviews for you. And also, once you clear GD, you will have to pay 250 for the 2 mock interviews. If you are ready, you can pay now. And today I am free only. I'm in another place, not in Chennai. If you can come for more guidance, I can take it for you after about 10 minutes. Acha. After 10 minutes, I can say, yeah, I will send you the materials. Also, I will give you the link for Zoom meeting. You can come there. I will explain to you how the GD will be conducted. And I will also conduct 1 or 2 mock GD. The problem is some candidates come to me for GD, having GD on the next day. So that is why I have to talk this much at length. Today, so that once again, you please send message to me. Yeah. So I'm just telling the questions they have asked for one candidate. Self-introduction. Why banking after mechanical engineering? What is banking? About RBI.
And what is another name of RBI? I don't know what is it. Is it Bankers Bank or Bankers to Government? I don't know. Then what do you know about Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank?
No, I think
What is the total deposits?
the
What is
another name of the bank can be central bank. I'm not sure. So this is a very good point. Anybody has been able to get it?
Bankers banks.
Another name of
Actually, it's showing
RBI.
Imperial Bank of India, sir.
No. That is State Bank of India.
But I don't. In ChatGPT, it's
Chat GPT, wrong information. I think I will call central bank. Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of our country. And other than that, what is the another name? It is also known as, here it is given. It is also known as the nation's central bank and bankers bank. Arey Baba, these people very clever. They have gone into this and selected from here. It is also known as central bank and bankers bank. Don't say Central Bank of India. That will mention another public sector bank. Okay. So now we will go with the answer bankers bank. That seems to be correct.
the total advances? What are the number of branches? And are you willing to work anywhere in India? These are the questions they asked for this candidate. I think he would have done well. He would have done well for this interview because while answering me also he was able to answer. But only problem is with most of our candidates, the problem is only about confidence in speaking in English. And if that has been done well, I think he will be selected. Sonali Venkatesh, if you are on online, I would like to tell you after introduction of myself, mm, you may leave now. Acha, I'm sorry. I don't know why it happened like this. Maybe while introducing itself, you were not confident and you were not telling things correctly. If you want, you can try that by now calling me. Please call me 9003037557. If you want, you can call me by your phone so that I can talk to you also, Venkatesh, if you are there. Otherwise, if anybody else is there, if you have some doubts about some interview for probationary officers or clerks, you can message me in my WhatsApp number 9003037557. If somebody wants to call me, I will wait for about 10-15 seconds. Is there anybody willing to call me? Is there anybody else willing to call me? Sonali Venkatesh, మీరు నేను దగ్గర మాట్లాడాలా లేదా? కావాలంటే కాల్ చేసుకోండి, లేదంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే మన ఎలాగ కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నామో, ఎలాగ ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్స్కు ఫేస్ చేసుకుంటాము అండ్ ఎంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ఫుల్లీ మన మాట్లాడుతున్నాము, ఇదన్నీ క్యాల్కులేట్ అవుతుంది. Much depends on the confidence with which we speak, the way we walk in, the way we smile at them. Now, let me see, somebody is calling now. Hello. Good evening. Is it Venkatesh? Acha, Venkatesh, tell me what were the. You had interview on which date and in which place? You had interview yesterday in Hyderabad. 12 p.m. reporting. How many candidates were present? Babre, 70 students. Because day before yesterday, ఒక అబ్బాయి చెప్పినారు నియర్లీ 60 candidates అని చెప్పినారు. దట్స్ రైట్. సో అంటే మీకు ఏమైంది, ఎన్ని గంటలో మీరు లోపల వెళ్ళారు? At what time you got into the room?
Important news for all residents of Canada. Mr. Wonderful is offering you the opportunity to earn up to
Correct. Acha, you were called at 12 p.m., but you were asked to go into the room at 2 p.m. before lunch. Lunch. Acha, last person before going to the lunch. Ade problem ayindi meeku. అదే ప్రాబ్లం అయింది ఎందుకంటే వాడి దే మైట్ బి వెరీ హంగ్రీ అండ్ దే వుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ థింకింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ మన వెళ్ళానికి అండ్ అట్ దట్ టైమ్ యూ గాట్ ఇన్ అండ్ మీరు వెన్ యూ టాక్డ్ మేబీ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ వెరీ ఇంప్రెసివ్ టు దెమ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ఎలాగ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకున్నారు మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడారా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడారా యూ టాక్డ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎలాగ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు చెప్పండి ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్పండి రైట్ డిగ్రీ ఏం డిగ్రీ అని చెప్పారు అది చెప్పినారా అంటే ఎంత మార్క్స్ తీసుకున్నారని చెప్పినారా సరే ఇంకా ఏమేమి చెప్పినారు వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ డూయింగ్ కరెక్ట్ అచ్చా యూ టోల్డ్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ ఈజ్ అ ఫార్మర్ ఎక్కడ ఏం విలేజ్లో కర్నూలులో ఉన్నారా వెరీ గుడ్ తర్వాత ఏమేమి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమేమి ఎలాగ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు ఎందుకు మీకు ఇంత తొందరగా కట్ చేశారు వై డిడ్ దే కట్ యూ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అంటే ఎంతసేపు మీరు మాట్లాడారు డిడ్ యూ టాక్ ఫర్ 2 minutes అచ్చా అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 4 minutes అంటే మంచిదండి చెప్పండి ఏమేమి చెప్పినారు వాట్ డిడ్ యూ టెల్ అచ్చా అచ్చా మై బ్రదర్ యూ టోల్డ్ యువర్ బ్రదర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఫార్మర్ అగ్రికల్చర్ అని చెప్పినారు వెరీ గుడ్ దెన్ అచ్చా హూ ఈస్ ఫైనాన్స్ మినిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా చెప్పినారా నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ తర్వాత యు ఆర్ మ్యాథ్స్ స్టూడెంట్ అంటే వాట్ డిడ్ దే ఆస్క్ యూ Oh, very good. And then what did they ask? They said, and today about 10 commerce students came and only one math student you have come. Why should I select you? Ani adagara. What did you say? Sir, we know what is the commitment 100%. అలాగా కాదు ఏం చెప్పినారని చెప్పండి ఇంకా బాగలేదే ఇది ఆన్సర్ బాగలేదే మీరు ఇంకా బాగా చెప్పాలి I am a quick learner, I am a hard working person, I enjoy shouldering more responsibilities, I am a good team player, I am also a good leader, I possess good time management skills, I can suggest people to do things properly and I will cooperate with them. Anni, my communication level is good, I enjoy talking to people. Inta mata cheppali meeru. ఇంకా బాగా చెప్పాలి యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ మోర్ పాయింట్స్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ నాట్ దట్ దానికోసం మీకు దే క్లోజ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ అని నేను చెప్పను ఐ విల్ నాట్ టెల్ లైక్ దట్ బట్ కానీ మీరు ఎందుకు రాలేదు మా దగ్గర ఇంటర్వ్యూకు మా దగ్గర మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ వస్తే కొంచెం కొంచెం అడ్వైస్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా, దాన్ని పెట్టుకొని యూ కెన్ కుడ్ హావ్ డన్ ఇట్ వెల్. సో ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏమైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూ వెళ్ళిన ముందు మా దగ్గర రండి, ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకోండి, అది మీకు బాగా ఉంటుంది. నా ఐ విష్ యూ సక్సెస్, కానీ మీరు కొంచెం ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయవచ్చు. అచ్చా, బికాస్ యూ ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ఎస్బీఐ క్లర్క్ యూ కుడ్ నాట్ ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ దిస్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్, కానీ అది ఆన్సర్ కాదు కదా. మీరు ఇంకా కొంచెం బాగా ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే మంచిది. నాట్ బికాజ్ ఐ వాంట్ మనీ, కానీ ఏమేమో మన అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో దానికి ఫుల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ పెట్టుకొని మన పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలాగా మీరు సమ్ పీపుల్ దే థింక్ అబౌట్ సేవ్ 300 400 వాట్ ఎవర్ దే హ్యావ్ టు పే. అలాగకూడదు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం రండి, ఇఫ్ యూ కాంట్ పే చెప్పండి, ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ కన్సెషన్, దెన్ కండక్ట్ మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఫర్ యూ. బెస్ట్ విషెస్. What is the max question? What max question they asked you? How did you answer this? Very good. Example ఏమైనా చెప్పినారా? అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు చెప్పినది కరెక్ట్. Percentage is conversion of the figure in relation to 100 numbers. For example, out of the 200 students, if 80 students are passed, then the pass percentage is 40%. అన్నీ మీరు బాగా అప్రిషియేట్ చేసుకొని చెప్తే దే విల్ బి వెరీ హ్యాపీ. అర్థమైందా? Yeah. Anyhow, thanks so much, Mr. Venkatesh, for coming online and talking to me. I am extremely happy. You are from which place? Karnool. Oh, Mantralaya. Oh God, Raghavendra, Lord Raghavendra, let him do good for you. I think you are near that only. Nandyal is also there, na? Oh, very good. Best wishes, Andy. If you can afford, my recommendation will be మీరు నంద్యాలలో జాయిన్ చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. కావాలంటే ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూ కోసం మన దగ్గర అంటే మీరు రావచ్చు. కానీ అక్కడ వెళ్తే మీకు ఎవ్రీడే టెస్ట్ పెడుతుంటారు, ఎవ్రీడే క్లాసెస్ పెడుతుంటారు. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ఫార్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ బోర్డు స్టూడెంట్స్ అక్కడ చదువుతున్నారు.
Do you have an amazing business idea?
This is awesome.
But no.
I don't know whether it will be fully useful, కానీ that something is better than nothing. అలాగా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి.
Sir, we can only able to hear your voice, sir.
లేదంటే
Pardon? Yeah,
we
you can
cannot
hear.
able to see the screen. Also, your voice is only we can able to see, sir.
Acha. Oh, all this time.
Yes, sir. Your screen is not visible, but camera is on, sir.
Oh, I don't know why it is happening like this. I am thinking I am sharing it with you fully.
One window was shared, sir.
You also watch that one.
Now it is coming, na?
Very
Yes, sir.
good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Any doubts on that? No, but మీరు చెప్పింది వింటే what I think is there are 50% chances for success. ఎందుకంటే because it is not that they sent you immediately after introduction. They have also asked a few more questions and you also answered. So I wish you succeed. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye. Very good. So that was a call made by one of the candidates who has appeared for say clerical interview recently. He has studied BSc mathematics and He is from Kurnool. His father is a farmer. His brothers are also into farming. And it seemed they asked for introduction. And after introduction, they asked him, today about 10 candidates have come from commerce. Then why should I select you? Because you are a max student. Like that they asked, it seems. Then they asked about who is the finance minister. This question they are asking everybody, who is the finance minister of India. Like that they asked, and it seems they asked one question on max, what is meant by percentage. The only mistake that candidate has done is he has not explained the answer properly. Whenever they asked any question in interview, you should answer it clearly, briefly, and tell it with an example also. So that's what it is. Thank you so much. Now I find six of you are there online. In case anytime you go for any interview, you can seek my assistance by paying rupees 503. For interview only 503 you can pay, and I will conduct 2 mock interviews for you. I will give you interview questions asked so far, and I will also give you the videos of classes.
Yeah, so that much is okay for us now. Now, anybody would like to take some rapid fire quiz questions? Are you willing to take it up? Or I will go by this Banu Prakash. Mr. Banu Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Banu Prakash, you are from, what is your degree?
Sir, I'm from BTech in the branch of ECE.
ECE, okay. Now, can you tell me what is the interest rate Federal Bank is paying in savings bank accounts?
Sir, I just joined late in the meeting, sir, so I have missed some questions that you asked. I mean, you explaining at the front.
When did you join our group? Yeah, one week back, na?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have been interviews from past couple of days, so that's
You are concentrating on that. Very good, no problem.
Yes,
Mr. Deepak Ram, can you tell me what
sir.
is the rate of interest your Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank pays in savings bank account?
So up to 10 lakhs is 3%, sir. So more than 10 lakhs is 3.25%, sir.
Very good. How many branches of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank are there?
So in India, it's about 556, sir.
Why are you telling India? They have only in India. Acha, Colombo
Yes,
is
sir.
there one. Acha, Colombo.
No, sir,
is
they have. No, sir, they have shut down it, sir. Long back
pardon?
ago.
So only
It's not
India. So
functioning now, sir.
you don't have to tell that word only India. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Only is a very tough word, you know. Where it has to be
Okay, sir.
used in a proper place. For example, he saw his wife only. He saw his only wife. He saw only his wife. He only saw his wife. Only he saw his wife. So each sentence will give each different meaning. So Deepak Ram, remember that you have
Yes,
to
sir.
use it carefully. Next, we will go
Okay,
to
sir.
Anvita. Anvita, what is your place?
Visakhapatnam, sir.
Oh, Vishakhapatnam. You are also ECE or CSE student, na?
CSE student, sir.
CSE student. Can you tell me what is the expansion of NACH? NACH. Have you heard about it or not?
No, sir.
National Automated Clearing House. National
Okay, sir.
Automated Clearing House. Can you tell me how many deputy governors are there in RBI?
There are 4 deputy governors, sir.
Can you name at least 2 of them?
Ravi Shankar and Swaminathan Janakiraman, sir.
Good. So you are Anvika.
Yes, sir.
Anvita,
Anvita, sir.
Anvita. What is the meaning of the name Anvita?
Mythologically, it is a name of Lord Hanuman, sir. And generally, it shows that it is a bridge of happiness. Sir.
Oh, are you remaining as a bridge of happiness for your parents?
Yes, sir.
Good. How many siblings you have?
I have a younger sibling, sir. Younger sister.
What is she doing?
She's currently studying her 10th class, sir.
Oh, so there's a lot of gap, 5-6 years gap, no?
Yes, sir.
So do you fight with her or not?
During my childhood, I used to fight, sir.
But not now. Good. Very nice. Very happy. So, who is the finance minister of Andhra Pradesh? Hello?
I don't know, sir. Yes, sir.
When is the elections due in Andhra Pradesh?
May 13th, sir.
Will you be exercising your franchise without fail?
Yes, sir.
Good. We will go to Mr. Jatin. Jatin, you are from which college?
Sir, I am from Amrita, sir.
Oh, Amrita. Correct, correct. You are also doing BBA, na?
Yes, sir.
BBA. Correct. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between NBFC and commercial banks?
Sir, NBFC and?
NBFC and commercial banks.
Also, NBFC stands for non-bank financial institution. And commercial banks are so basically, sir. So the commercial banks are the banks who gives loans to the public, and who are the commercial sector, such as giving loans to the real estate and all.
See, actually, differences between first point is, are you seeing on the screen? Jatin?
Yes, sir.
NBFC is a company that provides banking services to people without holding a banking license. Bank is a government authorized financial intermediary. NBFC is incorporated under Companies Act 2013, not 1956, 2013, or Companies Act 1956, Banking Regulation Act 1949. Demand deposits are not accepted by NBFCs. Demand deposits means current account and savings account, whereas banks accepts demand deposits also. Foreign investment in NBFC is allowed up to 100%. In the case of banking, foreign investment is allowed up to 74%. Payment and settlement system, not a part of the payment system. And banks are integral part of the system. Maintenance of reserve ratio, CRR, SLR, not required by NBFC. It is compulsory for banks. DICGC coverage is not available in the case of NBFC. It is there in the case of banks. Credit creation, this is wrong. NBFC also create loans. Banks also create credit. Transaction services not provided by, I'm not sure what do they mean by this, but these 2 points you omit. But this many, if you tell, that is sufficient. Companies Act, Banking Regulation Act, Investment 174, demand deposits not accepted, like that. So these points you can tell in the when they ask a question like this. Good. Jatin, okay. After Jatin, we will go to Kaviram. Kaviram is
Yes, sir.
triple E student. Kaviram, can
Yes,
you
sir.
please tell me the names of two executive directors of Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
Kaviram.
Yes, sir. Yes. I cannot able to remember now, sir.
Can
Sorry.
anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is the name of executive directors?
One female executive director is Shalini Warrior, sir. I
Correct.
remember her name.
Hmm.
And I only know the MD and CEO.
Anybody else knows? Some Harsh Dugar or something like that.
Siddhartha Sen
Sir, is
Gupta,
it
sir.
Siddharth Sen Gupta and Elias George?
No, no, no. I am asking about Federal Bank. Federal Bank. Harsh Dugar, correct. Harsh
Yes.
Dugar, correct. Harsh Dugar. Yeah, you are right. Good. Excellent. So that Anvita answered. Now we will go to Lalit Kumar. Lalit Kumar,
Yes, sir.
can you answer now? What is your degree?
BTech EC, sir.
BTech ECE. Which college?
Geetam University, sir.
Geetam University. Geetam University was established in which year?
Uh,
No
I
idea.
don't know, sir. No, sir.
Who is the Vice Chancellor of Geetam University? No. I wish you don't get such questions in the interview. But
Yes.
sometimes, very rarely, if they ask, you should not blink like this. సమझ गया?
Yes, sir.
అర్థం
Yes.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
మీ నాన్న ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
Canara Bank employee, sir.
కెనరా బ్యాంక్ లో ఏం పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నారు?
Uh, Customer service associate, sir.
అంటే ఆఫీసర్ ఆర్ క్లర్క్?
Non-officer cadres.
నాన్ ఆఫీసర్ క్యాడర్. గుడ్. హూ ఈస్ ద చైర్మన్ ఆఫ్ కెనరా బ్యాంక్? Hello.
Don't know,
Okay.
sir.
What is your mother doing?
Homemaker, sir.
Can you name 6 public sector banks?
Canara Bank, SBI. Postal banks, sir.
Wrong. Then I think I should go to Pravesh. Pravesh, I think you will not be able to answer because you are traveling. Then I will go to
No,
Sanjay.
sir. I can answer.
Please tell me names of 5 public sector banks.
Okay, sir. SBI, PNB, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, and
There is one bank in Delhi also, Oriental Bank.
Oriental Bank. Okay, sir.
You are from which place?
I'm from Delhi, sir.
Then you must be
I'm born and brought up in Punjab, and right now I'm living in Delhi.
Oriental. Then there are other banks like UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, then Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, very good. Sanjay Mani. Sanjay Mani is the Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank boy. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, why should I select you, Sanjay Mani?
I believe I have the skills, the skill set that you have, that are asked in the job descriptions. Like the problem solving skills, leadership skills, and communication skills.
Okay.
And I believe I bring some extra than the others. Like I'm a quick learner, so I can do some things fastly and by learning it in a quick glance.
Good. Have you heard of, say, SIDBI? What is it? What is the expansion of that?
Sorry, sir, I don't know about.
Don't know about it. Doesn't matter. Now, please tell me what is a demat account. I don't know whether Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank is having demat account. Are you sure it is there?
Yes, sir, it's there.
It is there. Acha, please tell me what is a demat account.
It's also commonly known as dematerialized account. It helps investors hold shares and securities in an electronic format, sir.
Very good in electronic format. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Can you name a few, say, payment wallet companies like Gpay? Can you name a few more, 2 or 3 more?
Paytm, PhonePe,
Mm.
Bharat Pay,
Mm.
and
think so many pays are there, I think so. Even Amazon, even Amazon has got it. WhatsApp also has got it. So many people are having all these wallets. Anyhow, thank you. So you were,
Thank you, sir.
you were Pravesh, na? No,
What,
who was
sir?
answering? Sanjay Mani was answering.
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
correct. Now, Pravesh, did you answer? No. Answer, yeah. You answered one question. Now we will go to Shreya. Shreya ji. Shreya, what is your degree?
Sir, I'm in my final year of BTech, sir.
BTech?
Electronics and Communication.
Acha, electronics and communication. Can you tell me something about FASTag? What is FASTag?
FASTag is an RFID technology, sir. So it is used mostly at toll gates. In RFID, there are two major components. One is a reader, one is a tag. So the reader is more like a scan, and tag is a barcode. So every car, this FASTag company uses this technology. So every car is sticked with a barcode that has its credentials, like banking credentials, just like how phone pay works, but without any UPI. The Once you fill some money or money into that FASTag account, and at any point of the toll gate, the scanner reads the FASTag and cuts the money. Without any
That's right. But
one-to-one person interaction, you can
Priya,
get.
you're telling more than what is required. See, it is
Okay,
simply sufficient. You could have told me FASTag is a system which is used for payment of toll taxes, and the methodology used is, or the technology used is RFID, and banks and also other payment channels, they also provide this facility, something like. Briefly, you can tell that. So you were Shreya.
Yes, sir.
There is one actress by name Shreya in
Yes,
Tamil
sir.
and Telugu. Have you seen her movies?
Yes, sir.
Which movie of hers you like very much?
Shivaji, sir. Rajnikant
Correct.
film.
So good. At least for that, I should select you because I had the very same film in my mind, Shreya. And good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then we will go last boy. Somebody is there. What is his name? Subhash. Subhash? Subhash, I think you were there with me today morning for an interview and all. You are a commerce graduate.
Yes, sir.
Subhash, can you tell me what are the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping?
Sir, the golden rules of bookkeeping are, sir, debit the receiver, credit the giver, sir. Credit what comes in, debit what goes out, sir. Uh,
Subhash, whenever they ask this question, first thing you have to tell is the accounts are classified into 3-fold: personal accounts, or real accounts, and nominal accounts. In the case of personal accounts, debit the receiver, credit the giver. In the case of real accounts, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In the case of
Okay, sir.
nominal accounts, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
Okay,
Correct?
sir.
Now, please tell me why capital is shown under liabilities.
Sir, actually, as per companies, the firm is different from the owner, sir. Capital is amount invested by the owner. So it is a liability to the firm, sir.
Correct. It is based on the concept that business is different from shareholders. There are two different entities. That is why it is coming like this. What is the capital of, you are appearing for which bank?
Sir, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and Federal Bank, sir.
First, tell me what is the capital of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank?
Sir,
Okay.
I am not
Tell me
aware of it.
tell me what is the profit made by Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank in the last year?
Sir, I think around 4,250 crores, sir.
Wrong. 1,000 something. How many crores? Can anyone tell? 1,074. Please go through those figures again. Correct?
Okay, sir.
How many branches Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank wants to open in year 2024-25? Some 50 branches. They want to open some 50 branches. Very good. So thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll meet again tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. Tomorrow, I think I have arranged for an interview for one Sanjay tomorrow 8 p.m. Then 8:30 as usual, we will have our class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.